I am at a popular scenic spot here along Ma Pi Leng Pass, which is located between Dong Vang and Mau Vac, the two most northwestern provinces in Vietnam. Ma Pi Leng is located 1,500 meters above sea level, and it is known as the king of all mountain roads in Vietnam because it's spectacular in terms of scenery, and also at this spot here you have an amazing view of the Nho Que River down below, in which we're actually going to drive down there later and take a boat ride. The Ma Pi Leng Pass is built along Quốc Lộ 4, which is nicknamed the Happiness Road. It was built in the 60s and by mainly ethnic minorities, and it took about 11 years to complete. I wanted to show you how beautiful this viewpoint is. I'm currently at the bottom of Ma Pi Leng Pass. You can probably see it all the way up there. What many people do not know is that there are windy mountain roads that you can actually take all the way down to the bottom to the Nho Que River. From there on, you can buy a ticket to go on a 1-hour boat ride. It costs about 300,000 dong, which is about $12 US. At that point where you park your motorbike or a car, there's another bus that will drive you all the way in. It's quite a different, breathtaking view from down here looking up at the stiff mountaintop as opposed from the top looking down. So you're in for a treat. I'm gonna try to record as much of this breathtaking scenery for you as I can. Enjoy!